Assalamu alaikum everyone. Yes, I'm audible to you. You can raise your hand. Yes, Aisha. And the another we have a ID with dots. I'm audible to all of you. Okay, that's good. So, Assalamu alaikum एक बार फिर and a very good afternoon. Welcome to a Vision Learning Institute and the hub of skills and professional learning. So, my name is Vinisa Qureshi and I am your IELTS PTE and spoken English trainer. Today I am conducting a demo session for the IELTS course where I will guide you throughout what is IELTS, who can take IELTS, and types of IELTS there, IELTS modules, listening, reading, writing, and speaking as well. So, what's about the requirement for achieving the good band scores and how to train students at Vision Learning Institute? What kind of things that we have to be provide to our students that achieving their required bands and achieving their required scores there. So, let's continue this over session today. So IELTS stands for International English Language Test System, and it is an internationally recognized English proficiency test used to measure your ability to read, write, listen, and speak English. So many of the universities, you can say this, the 90 plus universities and colleges worldwide accept the IELTS. Immigration authorities like employees and professional bodies used to accept IELTS. And IELTS is conducted by British Council, IDP, and Cambridge Assessment English. If you want to study abroad, if you want to be work overseas or migrate, IELTS is one of the most important step in your journey. So let's move forward to our session. Then who can do IELTS? So students who want to study abroad, they can do IELTS. Professionals planning international careers, they can do IELTS. Nurses, doctors, engineers, and skilled workers, individuals applying for PR, permanent residency. Anyone who want to prove their English proficiency, and there is no age limit for IELTS. Is a very good news. However, it is recommended for candidates like 16 plus years old and above it. So this is all about we have some kind of you can say this the types or things that can do, and the IELTS is suitable for all of them. So if you need perfect English to start IELTS, so you only need the willingness of learn. It is not about very difficult. You just need the willingness to learn, consistency, and proper guidance. And Evision Learning Institute give you the proper guidance about your field, about your test, about your scores. We will provide you all the things about your stuff. You don't need to be by anything. You don't need to be by any book. We will provide you all soft material where you can do learn and explore all the things that is really important to be clearing your IELTS. So here is you can see that we will give you the all kind of booklets there like that give you the proficiency, they give you the guidance. Not only that, we will provide you the all things about the IELTS. If you are weak in English, we will give you the separate guidance, separate recognition about how you can improve your grammar, and then you can eligible for IELTS as well. Okay. So the next we can say some kind of, let's talk about the types of IELTS there. So there are two types of IELTS. Number one is IELTS academic and the number two is IELTS journal. So like if I'm talking about the IELTS academics, so students applying to universities, higher education, professional registration. So it's all about your academic IELTS. It focuses on academic English, charts, essays, and formal writing about your writing task. If I'm talking about like writing module. Well, on the other side, you can see the IELTS journal training. In the IELTS journal training, those kind of people who want to immigration, who want to work permits, PR, like permanent residence there, and settlements there. So it focuses on daily life English, letters, and practical situations. If they can do this, they definitely clear the IELTS with good bands. So listening and speakings are the same for the both types, and the reading and writing are different to each other. So here is all about the short and concise introduction of IELTS, like what is IELTS, IELTS suitable for who and who's, and the next is we were talking about the types of IELTS, and now is the time to be talk about some kind of format about IELTS. हमने पढ़ा कि इसमें हमारे पास आइल्स क्या होता है, किसके लिए सूटेबल है, टाइप्स क्या क्या हैं, इतनी इसकी रिकग्नाइजेशन के बाद नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू बी मूव टू द आइल्स फॉर्मेट. सो आइल्स फॉर्मेट क्या है, what kind of skills you have to be required to getting your required band. So IELTS has 4 modules. It's about the basics 4 modules that IELTS have. And the next, I mean to say, like the number one is listening. It's give you the time about the 60 minutes for sections in a listening, conversation, and the lectures, everyday and academic situation. They give you that you have to be recognized, that you have to be listen the voice note, that you have to be listen the given audio, and then give the answers to your sheets and as well. And that kind of listening module, you require focus, keywords, listening, spelling. This is very, very important in all of them. About the listening, if I'm talking about. So the next we have a module about the reading. So in a reading, you have a 60 minutes, 3 passages. They will give you in a different questions types. So academic, long academic text, journal, like advertisement, notice, and the letters. So academic like IELTS journal and IELTS academics are just similar to each other, but there is 10 and 20% are different to all of them, but there is no some kind of huge difference to both of them. So if I'm talking about the third module that have, let's complete this reading first. So skill required that you have to be clear your reading task, the skimming, the scanning, the time management, because time is very, very crucial in all modules, and you have to be learn about the time management of this. And if I am talking about that, the skill required in this is skimming, scanning, time management, and these are the very, very important skills. If you learn these all, so like reading modules is going to be best for you. And the next we have is a third writing module is about task 1 and task 2. In a task 1, you have to be academic, graph, chart, table, diagram, and journal letter. They will give you in all. But if I'm talking about the academic or a journal, so academic is journal is all about the essay writing is both of them, like academic and journal, and letter is only for the journal, but the essay is for both of them, like academic as well and the journal. So if I am talking about the writing module, it's very important about your grammar accuracy, like accuracy about the grammar, your lexical resources, the mean of lexical resources about the vocabulary, the structure, how you are going to be used, and the task achievement is very important in your writing module. Well, the one of the last module that is left is about the speaking. They will give you the 11 to 14 minutes. 11 minutes is enough, but 14 minutes you can say this. It's about the rare time that they will given from you, but it's all about the 11 to 14 minutes is enough. So face-to-face interview, they will give you, and you have to be attend this. Okay, so one of the main thing that I have to be shared here, that is many of the students ask me that, ma'am, if the here is we have the test have to be give to the face to face or online. So in a IELTS you have to be go to your center that they will assign you, and that is you can take your IELTS is online, but your face is revealed, and you can see your examiner, and examiner can see you as well. So if I'm talking about the speaking tasks, to the three modules that we have in a speaking task, about the introduction, the cue card, and the discussion here. So introduction, they will ask you some question about your introduction. So where from, where you belong. If I'm give you the example that I'm from the Multan, so what is the famous thing in Multan? So how do you explain your homeland? So it's all about the introduction. They will give you, they will ask you some questions like this. And if I'm talking about the cue card, so cue card is one of the main question in a speaking, and is a long question, and you have to be speak on the cue card up to 2 minutes, that the topic they will give you, and the discussion from the cue card as well. So that the topic they will assign you in a cue card, and from this topic relevant questions they will ask you, the examiner will ask you in a part 3, that is called discussion. They will ask you the 5 to 7 short questions from the given topic. So, one of the difficult modules, I'm not going to say this, but the student says to me every time that, ma'am, the speaking module is very, very difficult. But I think it is not. You just require your fluency, confidence, and pronunciation and natural language. You don't give the vibe about the fabricated. You have to be just like a natural, and the pronunciation is good, and confidence is very important. If you are just talking about, let's just like you're reading the newspaper, that is not going to be acceptable there. So your fluency, your confidence, as I say, your pronunciation, and the natural English are very important there. So if you want to be get the 5, 6, and 7 and highest band that you need, so I would want to give you some kind of tips like strong grammar basics, daily English practice, vocabulary improvement, understanding IELTS strategy like mock test, feedback, and the confidence and the consistency is very, very important in all of that. So at Evasion Learning Institute, we focus on concept-based learning, individual attending. We will give you the attention as well, like speaking, confidence building. We just provide you that kind of incredible session about the presentation that boost your confidence, and the real IELTS exam strategy. We will give you the website where you can freely can take your mock test there, and it's really good, and regular assessments and a feedback we will provide you. So IELTS is not difficult. If you want to learn, it is right way, you know what. So with the proper training, your discipline, and if I'm say like about the guidance, any student can achieve their desired band as well. So if you are serious about the studying abroad, immigration, and professional growth, so then IELTS is your gateway that will push you. Then you can go to the abroad about your like required destination. So thank you so much for joining today demo session, and we will look forward to welcoming you as a part of Evasion Learning Institute. So all the best and best of luck, and see you in our full IELTS course, inshallah. So तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Allah Hafiz.